Ka-chow!
Okay, this thing is super bright, like so bright you can't even get a handle on how bright it is compared to how dim this guy is. Look at that. Right side, left side. They give you zip ties. This is your low beam.
The upper cap.
Yeah. I'm just turning to the lefty-loosey. Pull this guy out without touching it. This is a really weird connector that you have to like undo both sides at the same time. I'm gonna set that over here, and I'm gonna grab one of these with a glove so that I don't accidentally touch it. Now, how? So this is gonna set in, see the star shape?
Mm-hmm.
So that's gonna just poke back in exactly the way it was, turn to the righty-tighty, and then we'll plug this in to this guy.
Okay.
Now there's only one way this headlight can go in because there's only one way that all three of these little buggers line up. There's a big one and two small ones. Okay, and then we're going to tuck all this in so that it's protected from the weather. And put our dust cap back on. Left side. Well, it's convenient that they put this right in the way, but whatever. Okay, let's go lefty-loosey. Okay, and then we need to pull the connector out. Okay. Okay. And then we need to go righty-tighty once it slides in. And then we'll just tuck all of this in. It's nice and protected out of the weather with its little buddies. Way better. Check this out. Blam!
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.